shelter in places in their homes or in government places of shelter as we engage the authorities, our relevant diplomatic missions, and our honorary consul on further measures.
Okay.
And that's
it's very assuring.
Foreign Affairs Ministry. The other challenge they say was for a country like Ghana, you cannot get up and arrange flights.
It's not possible.
Because airports now are locked. You get it.
Yeah.
And that's the challenge. And then I meet Vladimir and so professor, and he makes the point that the only way out now, they say, some of the other superpower countries, if you ever say UK, air co evacuate almost you know, it's a difficult situation. What we are hoping is the consul of Ukraine would find good places for the students. Now,
yes, let's say Ibian cotton for more area. Na young countries Ghana Australia this year out of these a very very sad situation as we speak now because uti omo kasa na omo kachire me na obi onyame anim ni omo botokra complete omo bi da
yes omo bi da
omo bi da
last year na makonta di odi me wife echi so on so why medicine with Ukraine in the last year no buy and I know me in the omo ye induction it fully qualified medical doctor.
Oh wow!
The last year no by. I'm imagining this uncle this time. It's
so until the brother America, Obiamania Sao be the entire say me te Bolga and I'm te wa and I'm te voter agent. You know, it's far away from. If we start solving problems like it is our problem, there we'll get solutions easily. By a short solve problems far away from us. There, you know, don't worry. I'm sure you pay attention in due.
We'll get into detail because I will share the back and forth. I know him say historically the UN is sometimes disabled when it comes to dealing with the superpower.
When they actually almost say go much
you recall US or Major Bombi Iraq, you know, UN. And Russia,
but when they're too strategic, they can't even comment about it because would you agree? Half of Europe was the whole European, they'll shut it down.
Boris Johnson, Prime Minister of UK, the statement that we issue or say President Putin of Russia has unleashed war in our European continent. He has attacked a friendly country without any provocation and without any credible excuse. Today, in concert with our allies, we will unleash a massive package of economic sanctions designed in time to hobble the Russian economy.
Oh, no.
Our mission is clear. Diplomatically, politically, economically, and eventually, militarily, this hideous and barbaric venture of Vladimir Putin must end in failure. It is an attack on democracy and freedom in Eastern Europe and around the world. This crisis is about the right of a free, sovereign, independent European people to choose their own future. And that is a right that the UK will always defend. Prime Minister Boris Johnson, yes, I'm on for talk it tough. But and also my go
talk tough when they carry.
Exacerbate the situation.
They are already power back.
UK Prime Minister.
Please. No, dear power. Russia now Casaba houses UK. It's here for country, baby. I think that we should change the strategy. You know, because the Palan Casano, we will anymore didn't come out. It's Suman Casaba team. It's one crock corner. Yes, one crock corner and sir. Now we'll take one to hold chair casa, physical about because so Boris Musia. Maybe I didn't go to so what a very serious situation.
Very.
On mine is face. Ghana will who so. It's so Sony been say. Osha ye fan go home some there skills train so it's
good prices
it's because obia mania sound obi to be say baby you know ye far away from but we are dependent on them on so many major products so it aye any kasa de any kasa kire any akoma e beto yem ana ye nyina no e say ye butu achi no ye kon kakra mo bia e what is very very important because
the rippling effect
debi eso sorry bad so at the two tia na you say far away na so no MPP NDC there oh you big mistake so is serious
filling fuel station
changing, you know, it has to do with Abba also, unfortunately. You know, I have to be frank. So I tell you, because a woman said, you may be enko ya to see, but the world order no say, ya mom pie I'm here to be a share.
Because
say I'm not Kodia, and then you shall say, oh, you're big gunny, your name America.
What is more share your Facebook Live? No? These are exclusive pictures from Ukraine, and we share bombings are air cost. We know a just say we careless abandon. We also
too good, yeah. You go for no friend. Or so, but tia, but TV, what boom, boom, no my problem. I won't meet there. Will you be out to be jaw radical? So at 80, and I make say, Anna, you want to Obi to Anna, the Numikana, no, Jalanum say, Yebeku. Share, Ubeku. Or 3x4 AK-47 in the crowd for so each other be yayo. Now the cost one. So we should entertain some of these things, cry. We should discourage it. So it says, and it's coming back to the society. You lose grip of everything as a country now. Oh, be normal as you. Be abnormal, a cosway normal, Ghana, and it's so worrying. Among your seminar, I see the perfume and said in such a case by a bravo said in Punto. Among your seminar, Baby break your front brain. Adia and Sem Fatankwa. Just recently, I'm saying some few days with now we'll be about even how we have misrepresented Asofumpa. Minority, majority, president,
minority leadership, Omusia majority leadership, Omusia Speaker of Parliament.
Yes.
There was no noise around it, and all of a sudden when they decided to meet one of our leading statesmen in the former president, it became another.
We have to be very careful. I don't know what we, and India. Sabi you want to tell me what I miss any what shares with the asomai. Usho bia no man no snow kasa sa
attempt to be hitting at people in revered people in society. Na
akukudro nkyere say the dimpanyin for atem na kasa champanyin for anyhow. That's not what it means. I agree, you might not like the style of somebody or whatever, but Charlie, and I say be no de Debbie abai the botechino.
Yeah, the bebo bar.
Yeah, the beba now bound the audience crowd the be worse off.
Oman, maminya we mra students here now come on once me we Nook's president or Ukraine.
Oh, already.
Nook's president Ukraine. Ono so school ni ho. Your friend of Philip Bobie Ansa.
Kopeka kraba be boane my Ghana.
Oh. Philip, what you mean ka? Hello? Good. Now, who Kiev and I say who which city?
Venetia, which is like 3 hours from Kiev by train.
Oh, about 3 hours from Kiev by train. Now, confirm my only Nook's president with Ukraine.
Yes, please. Madam, Nook's president. Yeah.
Fantastic. To start with, no Ghanaian student were Ukraine. Or modo be saying.
We are in our data. Registered members are 955.
Registered members here 955.
Yes, we also estimate other students who are not registered with that. So in total, we project 1,200 students.
Okay, and do you perchance know the number of other Ghanaians or students or more?
Yes, there are students here also. We are looking at 1,500 Ghanaians in Ukraine.
1,500 Ghanaians. Okay. For the non-students, no. What do they do there? Do you know?
They have their businesses. Some are agents. They came as students, but one or the other way, God maybe decided to exploit other means of survival. But they mainly came here to be students.
Okay. And it's I can say schools are closing down.
Yes. And afternoon, we are school. Most of the schools issued a statement. Session school education. Should be